Your Android phone's battery life gets worse over time, but degrading battery health is not the only reason. The apps you install also play an important role, specifically the ones that keep accessing your location even when you are not using them. In this video, I will show you one setting that can extend your battery life by up to 2 hours. Before we change the settings, let me quickly explain what is happening in the background. Apps can find your location in 3 different ways. First is GPS. It uses your phone's GPS hardware to pinpoint your exact location. It is the most accurate but also uses the most battery. Second is Wi-Fi scanning. Your phone checks nearby Wi-Fi networks to estimate where you are. And finally, your phone can estimate your location using nearby cellular towers. Now, let's stop unwanted apps from accessing your location in the background. Open Settings, go to Location, then tap App Permissions. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and select Show System to display System Apps and Services. You will now see a list of apps set to Allowed all the time. These apps can access your location even when you are not using them. For apps that do not need constant location access, change the permission to Allow only while using the app. This way, they can only access your location when you actually open and use them. I was surprised to see how many apps had this permission enabled on my phone. You might want to check your settings right now. Next, go through the apps listed under Allow only while using the app. You might find shopping apps, games, or even browsers that do not really need your location. If you never use location-based features in those apps, change the permission to Don't Allow. Just make sure you don't disable location access for Google Maps, Find My Device, or other services that rely on it. Make these changes and you should notice a noticeable improvement in your battery life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.